Remember to subscribe and hit the notification bell for more. Okay guys, so today we'll be doing a length check on my hair. I'm just combing up my hair for you to guys see the length. And this has grown rapidly after I have taken down my weave. This is the results of growth. I use natural oils in my hair and moisture at the ends. Even when I had in my weave, I tend to moisten it, not regularly because you don't want your hair pores to get clogged, so you just want to do that. So now I'll be showing you guys how it looks in a ponytail, and that's the result. Like and subscribe for more, guys.